Tell me, would you kill to save a life? Tell me, would you kill to grow your rights? Crash, crash. Hurricanes chasing us all under the ground. How many days that I die, I will never forget. No matter how many lives I live, I will never regret. There is a fire inside of the sudden riot about to explode into flames. Where is your God? Where is your God? Do you really want me? All alive to torture for my sins. Do you really want me? Do you really want me, dear? All alive to live a life. Let's sing it one time, nice and loud. Tell me, would you care? Tell me, would you care? Crash, crash. It's hurricanes chasing us all underground. In the words of Michael Jackson, I love you so much. Are you guys having fun so far? Are you ready for Shannon and Telma to come back and kick your asses? Hold on, I'm going to turn the lights up 1 second, so get ready. But everybody on the left, make some fucking noise. Show me what you got. On the right! I don't know, but I think they learned their lesson earlier on. They're kicking your fucking ass.